In 2015, we gathered for the very first HashiConf in Portland. A few hundred badges, a single stage, and the spark of something bigger. The first steps on a bridge we have been building ever since. Each year, the community grew. Napa, Austin, San Francisco, Seattle. Bigger rooms, brighter lights, but familiar faces always returning. HashiConf became the moment we circled on our calendars, the place we came back to meet in the middle, and it reached further than we ever could have imagined. It wasn't just an event you attended, it was a tradition you belonged to. Each event became a milestone for all of us. Vault put keys in the right hands, Foundry opened the door, and then Terraform 1.0. We announced it on livestream because we had to, and it still landed. Even apart, we moved forward together. When things picked back up, so did we. More people, more moments, more users. We even rang a bell. But through every change, the heartbeat of HashiConf stayed the same. 10 years later, the story of HashiConf is the story of us. A community that keeps finding its way back to each other. HashiConf has always been our bridge. And together, we'll keep building.